Simplifying communication between software, understanding APIs, and REST. Imagine your favorite food delivery app. It's like a magic menu that brings dishes from different restaurants straight to your door. But how does the app know what's on the menu? That's where APIs come in. Think of an API as a waiter that takes your order, goes to the restaurant's kitchen, and comes back with your meal. It's the middleman that communicates your request to the restaurant system. Now, a REST API is a special kind of waiter. It follows a set of rules that make it efficient and versatile, like knowing the best shortcuts to get your order faster. When you browse through your app, tapping on a dish you want, you're sending a request. This is like telling the waiter, "I want this dish." The REST API, or our digital waiter, uses standard ways to communicate, similar to how waiters use a common language to understand your order and relay it to the kitchen. It then goes to the restaurant's digital kitchen where your dish is prepared. This kitchen is another software application that understands and processes your order. Once the dish is ready, our REST API waiter brings it back to you through the app. If it's what you ordered, you're happy and the process was successful. But what if the kitchen is out of an ingredient? The REST API will communicate this back, perhaps suggesting an alternative. This interaction is all about requests and responses. It's important because it allows different software applications to work together smoothly, just like how different restaurants can list their dishes on your favorite app. REST APIs also use standard methods of communication like HTTP, which is the language of the web. This means they can work across the internet, making them incredibly flexible. So next time you use an app to order food, remember the unseen digital waiter. It's making sure your order is understood, prepared, and delivered, all through the magic of REST APIs. In essence, REST APIs make our digital world interconnected, allowing apps to talk to each other, creating a seamless experience for us all.